Hey you guys, it's Jayla Simone and welcome back for another video. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey boy, hey. Hello. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and press the bell to get notified on when I will post. So today's video is going to be about these bomb ass clip-ins, y'all. I was really getting tired of wearing wigs all the time and getting sewn, so I was like, all right, let me just try to get some clip-ins that can match my hair. And I really love this hair. I had it for about 2 weeks and I was like, let me just record it and get people put on about these clip-ins from Amazon. Okay, so this hair is called Key Long Hair African American Afro Kinky Curly Clip-ins Human Hair. So you do have to treat this hair like it's real hair. When I first got this hair, I conditioned it and just put it in. Like, basically it's 7 pieces in one bundle, and I got 2 bundles, so altogether I have 14 pieces. To achieve this style, I put in 10 pieces and only have about 4 left over. So you get a lot. Like, it's pretty, it's good. The length I got is 14 inches. For both bundles. 14 inches for both bundles. I kind of went to the reviews to see, the lengths for it, and I honestly thought 14 was gonna be short or too short, but I feel like it's good. Like, it's really good. I haven't straightened this hair. I have no desire to straighten it at all, actually. I mean, you probably can. It says that you could, but I honestly don't want to do that. This color, it says natural color. So I did notice that my hair is a lot, well, not a lot, but darker than this hair, but it does blend well together. Like, it's nothing like OD. If you're in the light, you could kind of see like the different hair colors, but nothing big. Like, no one is in my head like that. So the length 14 is $49. So altogether, 2 bundles of 14 inch will be about $113.92. Mine was probably about a little bit lower because I did have Prime shipping at the time, but I had to cancel that I only have free membership. I spent about $106 for everything, and I mean, $100. I wasn't, I spent, more than $100 on, weave. And I was trying to find cheap clip-ins. I went to a whole bunch of beauty supply stores trying to find this one set of clip-ins that were like $20. And literally no one had them. So I'm like, okay. And they were synthetic. So, my mission was to find some like really cheap synthetic hair. But I'm really happy I got this because, I kind of save money in the sense because I can rewear this hair a whole bunch of times. With synthetic hair, it has a really short lifespan. So I'm really happy with what I got, and I did so many different styles. Like, I think I should probably post a video on different hairstyles, but for clip-ins. But I did like a afro, a part in the middle, a part on the side. I'm gonna do like a low bun, like probably like a week or 2 from now. But yeah, and it's a really good protective style. Like, this hairstyle, I usually wear it for a week, and then my wash day and do something else, wear it for a week. So it's a really good protective styling. If you have any more questions, please comment below. I will be happy to answer it. Well, yeah, let's start the video. So my hair is parted, half of it is out, looking real crusty, and then the back is these old corn braids. It doesn't have to be perfect. Mine are certainly not. It's gonna get covered anyway, so you're fine. I'm just spraying my hair with some water to give it some moisture. Now I'm just adding my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. Now I'm adding my Jamaican Black Castor Oil with peppermint oil. Now I'm using the Eco Styler Flex seed gel or flexi seed gel, but it's a really good investment. My hair doesn't flake up when I have it in my head, so buy it. So I have a piece of hair. I'm gonna just wet this hair. I'm starting off with the 4-clip piece that usually goes on the bottom. I'm gonna apply my Cream of Nature curling pudding all over, and yeah. So this hair does shed a little bit, but it's very minimal. There's also a reason why I don't use a brush to comb this hair. I stick to finger detangling because I just feel like that's less of pulling on the hair with the brush. So stick to finger detangling for like clip-ins, because I mean the hair not gonna come back, so try to keep it as long as you can. So I did forget to mention that the hair does come in different width sizes. So the first clip-in I put in was the 4-piece one. So usually the longer pieces you put in the back, and then you have the 3-piece, the 2-piece, and then a 1-piece that's usually put towards the top. I kind of just do whatever will fit, I'll try to put in there, but that's really how you're supposed to follow it. Okay, so I'm gonna explain this one. So I have keep us, you know, one of the longer pieces, like the 3-clip ones or whatever, for the bun, just to start it. So what you're gonna do is get the first clip and put one of them in on the bun, not down here, but actually in the bun, and clip it. And then you're gonna then you're gonna go around and then clip the end into another part of the bun, just to start like a base. Yeah, and then you could just start adding the hair. So I just got 2 other pieces of hair and just started wrapping it around in a bun and securing it with a bobby pin as I was going around. Yeah, and just start putting it in the bun. And just keep going all the way around, and then secure it as you go. For this, so you turn around, you could definitely, since I thought I was gonna have it out, I wasn't even really gonna do nothing, but since you could kind of see the track right here, what we're gonna do is just space this out and probably just put a bobby pin here. And I'm also gonna comb this hair out so you can kind of just like cover by yourself, like. So this is the end result of this hair. You can see this track a little bit, so what I'm finna do is get some bobby pins. So what I actually did off camera with that one track that you kept seeing, a bobby pin didn't really do much, so I just unclipped it and then put it a little further up behind the bun, so the bun kind of covered that whole track. So that was a little easy hack I did, and it blended out really nicely. This is the end result. I really like it. You can fluff it out in the back to your liking. And yeah, it's so cute, and I really, really love this hair. Oh my god, I'm so sick. What the fuck? But thank you guys for watching my video, and stay tuned for another one. Bye.